All right, this video is going to give you a brief walkthrough on how to start and proctor an NWEA session. First, once you get to the login screen, I'm going to mention that there's a new landing page. So once you log in, it may look different. So once you get to this page, if you go to the very top, there's two drop downs. You want to click the one that says Map Growth. And then in the top center of the screen under testing, you'll see Manage Test Sessions. So click that, and then it'll bring you to a screen that, if you've done this before, is more familiar. Your sessions have been created for you, so you're going to click where it says Saved Testing Sessions. And then you may not see all of these, so the first thing you're going to do is start by typing my last name, and then click my name. Just the first one will be fine. And then you should be able to search for yours. So I'll just pick Mr. Swart out here. And then you'll notice once I click a session, then the buttons at the top become active. So I'm going to hit Test Now. Once I get to the Test Now, I have the information that we need. It's going to show me which test is assigned. It should be already assigned for you. And then all my students here to the left. At the top, you're going to see the session name and the password. That is what you're going to want to either write or display for your students. You can have this test session ready to go before students start logging in, and then just have it waiting for them. Once you're ready to begin, then they can start open the NWEA app on their screen. They're going to log in using this information. And then once they do that, this bar that says awaiting student under status is going to start to change. And then where in this little gray box at the top next to the confirm button, you're going to see the number that says to be confirmed start to change. And you can start hitting confirm for students as they become ready. I usually wait until I get a good majority of students logged in and ready. So then I can confirm them all at once and get going. And then if there's any students that are having issues, I have them wait a second, let everybody else kind of get ready to go, confirm them. It may take a couple of tries because you can keep hitting that confirm button. And then I go work with the students individually who might have some issues logging in. And then you just confirm them individually. So once students are testing, you can monitor their progress under this status. It will refresh every minute and kind of show you what question they're on. When you are finished testing, any student that's finished, it should say completed. Any student that might not be finished, you do not need to suspend their test individually. You just need to make sure you hit end session at the top right. When you hit end session, if you have any students that are still testing, you're going to get a pop-up window that asks you if you want to suspend their tests. You'll want to click yes. Once you hit that, then you're going to get another pop-up that looks like this. That's going to ask you if you want to save the session. Please save and exit. Do not delete. Save and exit. That way I can access your sessions and change the test for you. So when you're done, hit save and exit, and then it'll bring you back to this screen and you are finished. Please see the slide deck I have for some other tips on common issues and how to resolve them. And then let us know if you have any questions.